Emu achibiem samu akwa Bamradum TV Badwam so yada Apostle Doctor ni te ko tegwa se eni nkranhye nsem a wode edi kan ma de edu so ne Badwam kase nsem no ne obeti wo mu bi ni mampani adodanko akufuado se ne suafo bie ni wa wode aban ka bia beko bebia ye de no ebebro na fe yakohwe the president awoda Institution of Engineering and Technology so the chinkwansam mampani ato abayi no yede bro no nsembi na obeti kwadomonline.com ensam no ewo ho bebre call Facebook/Adom TV uko YouTube Adom TV Tube Go TV 119 DSTV 280 medi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mienti se de ensam ni chiremu ankasa etie Ghana mampani na adodanko akufuado se na swafo bie ni hose minister deputy regional ana political appointee bie ni wa wodi aban ka bia beko bebia Adom kase no etwaso
Omampani akufuado ede abetudwa se ministers deputy ministers regional ministers special assistant special aides edema omampani ne vice president ene political appointees na enhwese ahyen a womo etwie aye aban edia no hwe na obia amfa ankofi wo a administration bi a etwemu no ekame yese ebimu enya eye saloon ehyen bi eye evaluation womo eye ya na nam eye State Transport Company Limited STC so nanso no enu echi no enya ade asa akonya no ewo hokra edema obia biem wode two ministries awodo ni nanim se womo hwese womo ahyen no womo de bekoma eye chief director a wo ministries awodo nim ento ankodu eye efiada eye January bosome no de toso miensa afi 2025
President Adom Institution of Engineering and Technology Ghana ye engineer Henry Kwadwo Boateng or the chinkwansam mampani ato abayi no John Dramani Mahama
Yo yebefa se akwanya yesu na yada president ayi no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ye born abaso ye mani chinkwanso se omamuni na yaji atumu se ono na se na ofata se pempenso ye dui obaba tuto eniama maye na ya amone bonyina se ye to aba ne wi so asomdwe beba ti ye hu se basabasa ye kakra ekokoso a emfata ne enso ani emfedi mpa ema oman Ghana mse enro obekasa ye se ye abaye abodere emu na security for no agency so omoyo madwuma esan se de ase bakumbi ababeda ho enti eno so ye danase so okasa ye by best amount no so mbe yasuti no mati asema president president elect ekan no se basabasa ya muyi mu kwhye edan mo se police station ni na aban sika ene be san dia krokra mo so padwuma ye iti sika na ka beda ho a ye be bofutu ye be fa adwuma no se sika na bi ni ye san ko yi dia krokra se ne ma ya mo se ni iti ye be se so mo adwobro o mo ma abufo na hye mo no ma enkofem na biom so ebi won sa akronfo ni nipa bonifo bi na de omo ho ahihye ma yesa it is said the president elect ekan na osan estre obampani otiso no so ani IGP no so mba yo madwuma na obi a obaye ade bi a etiamra no de oman emra no ani no endi
yankofo mina abato mpesua no eso na abato dwasa NDC ehitafo bi ena nei won watumi actually eye articulator tracker na number GM 212-17 se oso fertilizer 1302 odumpoase e wadanse North Mensin wasante mantamu
na oni ti asese de ekoso Ghana na ye jempen fam ya ti asese ye hwese aban bibia ye mfa yensa enka na me di ani bidi nyomachi na ye nyina yinim se eniyama bi koso a enkofo ye ne mabone e wo system nim ana yanso yatu enkofo fo se be so bia be bibi basa o mo te de o mo mfa ni ntu hana mo ko ba mo de fertilizer aba na fertilizer no mo de ba ya na ekuekuro bi dia enti saa na o mo kan no ntina o se me secretary mo so report na police for ne bem enti o mo ni police for nyina atu anamon eko eba be bia o mo yi fertilizer no mo wi e mo sa ko police station ntina o se me ba yanso ma be be champagne for no akodi police for instance o ma yana dwen say o the documents bi o ho aba me no ka say adanse north assembly ye ya te say nioma agu store room eli ho ba maka chance mo bi anko bi aso mo bi anya hwe
Cocoa board and penny for a walk Asiwa district, Ababe Piemu Ewaha. Yene penny any common. Fertilizer, if he and Ababe Piemu Ewaha.
Says ya dear, Yene and penny for Akasa Amo Matia CSA. A idea and yet stolen item. Name if we cocoa board as ye, I de milk for. A dear good on cocoa, so Sabaya, cocoa, if you are for Binyan Baby, na Omubotum so, I yet come. No matter me, and Yasika, they are bomb bra. See, Nani Akusino.
Meeting at the Isaac K. Nomanyon, Adom TV, Kokromoti Power, about
NDC vigilantes be a war Quanta South and then watching bulldozer beer, war a car drift, Fidiano, and one. War ye a free Quanta, a chronomo, ye, yo, Timantamo, a dear baby being to me, and also dear Cosso, any.
They came to apologize with us, so we take it as a part of our mission, because we are coming
so
from
are
India.
You taking back your money?
Yeah, we will take the money, so they will settle everything, they will call us for working.
After the new government.
Come again.
After the new government.
Then you take back your money.
No, they said they will come and
do the work for us.
Actually, we are Catholic missionaries, we are priests also full. But I am here from 2013.
Okay.
I have completed more than 10 years here. But this is the first experience. We are working for your people.
So will you term it as one of the operational hazards?
Yeah,
what is happening around, because we are new to the place and we don't know countries' laws and everything. We went directly to the district assembly. They have machine. They said they will bring. So that is what we know. So we paid the money and we are going to.
So when did you talk to them on this issue concerning your work that we are supposed to do?
NDC Amanyo Kono parliamentary candidate Ojina mu wo Bantama ye Simon Adai Dapa na eneya make se wo matumika Kumasi Depo Metro Mass Transit a one more akohu se nipa bi anka spare parts no mu bie ka no ho ne ma bi a yetutu no wo mu bu akete mu de akobia wo mu de konso won se ka won kase no etwaso.
Testify that the NPP and then their poor management, they've been selling the buses as late as yesterday around 12 o'clock. They began selling the buses as scrap. You know something? We promised our people the Bantama constituency more job for the youth and then others. And then these people are trying to collapse the job the government has created for Bantama constituency. So we are here to protect the government property. We are here to protect this institution from sinking. We are to sell the buses because we need this job alive. We need to create jobs for the youth. That's why we had, and we are telling them not even the boat will leave this premises today because we have to make sure we inject into this business, create more jobs and then employment for our people.
No echi and a Metro Ma security coordinator Alaji Nija watch Sasim say ya ni si wa fimpinu and no watching Braban Sessa Ebaya which say a feed ya 1 year hard.
Maslow offices ye charge to Ninam year 2008 election. Foreign Affairs Ministry ye charge to mu abanyuma ye kudu do no aye sheno because MPP are buying Elusu 2008. They are repeating the same thing. And this time round, I am telling you, I swear, and yet they are not going
to happen. MPP parliamentary candidate Awojina Modema Edra Seche Dumase a gifting Doma Nene what they 20 simpany for him say one for supporters no na near 1 more year wo hon wo munyai 90 sa won so ebe for hwadwen
Kifti Ndoma ena afimpenu enye dunu na abato abeyeyiye no ogina MPP amanyoku ni dinimu epre ejura sechere dumase emna hyebedwa akonya na wode ato ndisi amanyoku no empanyinfo animu se wonu machitaifo a wosusu se wafa mra ahye wonsem eye basabasayo ewo omamu emmia baabi no won frɛ wonom no wonom enkasa wɔkyerɛ mu sɛ nipa bonifu yi wosusu sɛ wono ne billboards ene MPP amanyoko ne frankatu ne billboards wɔde sisi mansini mu honom emontene so de wonom adwiri ne nyinaa egu fam
me wo sɛ nnua no mandisifo bi ba ba ye enema ntwa yi na so like policefo wa ha wɔn etimi kamo situations down enwumre ya nnua no mandisifo asaba totobo ba mfi ha ne ade na ototobo na eno be maka na be yodi ana eno ma me gift ndoma ma dream po Ye me pese me ensisa bibia wo. Ye ka tail light back omo de eboabom apai. And ye pese ye kan say me de mani machita afa kasa so munya botre. I am from a bia botchem enche betwem. But omun kai say ye wada fufuo bi wo homa ye. Se Ghana for mo de tumi ma NDC for MPP for na mfie nwotwe. Omo de ama NDC for ntimfie bi wo eba tumi ni besa adane.
Maminya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase no ahana brema kwan na no pe ye de sie ye da se na ye besro obi no akoso atwen ye ne mfa de obon krata no ene online de no nto aso ma wo me nkomra